So in this introduction, I just want to go over how to overlay the AIR SDK over your Flex SDK. As you see here, I am about to download the AIR SDK from the pre-release site. And whenever I download it, I usually keep a backup of it just in case I want to go back and test an older version to see if something's broken or something is working correctly. So here, what I'm going to do is open up this folder. And as you see, I now have the folder open and just unzipping it. And what you'll find in here are a bunch of folders that need to be copied over to your Flex SDK. So while you do this, take a look and try to find your Flex SDK. I already have one created here for Android 2.2. I like to copy the normal SDK and keep things separate. This way I can go back and forth. So all you have to do is take the AIR SDK that you downloaded and just simply copy file by file over to the Flex SDK. So we'll start with the bin folder here and replace. Frameworks you got to pay special attention to because there are two folders in here called libs and projects. And libs you actually want to copy over individually, because if you just replace the entire libs folder, your Flex SDK won't compile. So we have projects over, and then we just simply go to include, and you'll see we'll just do this down the line. And one of the important things about keeping your own version of the Flex SDK handy is that, you know, if you're doing a lot of testing like I do on pre-release stuff, or you're making some modifications to your own, you don't want to ruin production SDK, because you never know what will actually make it out with your clients. So it's important to keep these two separated. And as you see, I just keep going through here and copying over and replacing, and we end with the templates. And then once you have all of this copied over, you should be able to now compile AIR for Android apps using the Flex SDK we've set up here.